Welcome to my backyard. Now you may be asking yourself, why are we in his backyard? Well, because I need some room to work. We are actually going to be protecting the carpets of my Tesla Model X, and we have floor mats for that application. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. You see, we're at 287 subscribers, but we need to get to 1,000. So if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, remember, subscribing is free. So you just have to subscribe to this channel, like this video, hit the notification bell, and if you leave a comment, I'm going to reply. We have some floor mats. We're going to unbox them. We're going to take a look at them, see how well we like them. Are we going to keep them? And then if we are, we're going to condition them. We're going to get them ready to go into the Tesla Model X. We have floor mats for the driver's seat, the passenger seat, the back seat, the frunk, as well as the back cargo area. Now we don't have anything for the lower trunk, and that's because they're just not available. Matter of fact, it took me a while to collect even this group of floor mats. So today we're going to be doing several things in this video over the course of several days. So today we're going to be unboxing these floor mats, then we're going to be cleaning the interior of the Model X. After we unbox these, we're going to let them sit out in the sun. They're going to off gas, and then we're going to prep them for installation in the car. One of the problems with purchasing products that are made of plastics, petroleum, rubber, is they have to off gas. It's part of the process. And if you don't want your car smelling of those odors, it's always a good suggestion to let them sit out in the open air, let the sun get to them, heat them up, and that will allow that off gassing to happen and reduce the amount of odor in your car. So let's jump into it. Now, these were delivered by UPS, and as you can see, they've added some tape because somehow these got damaged in transit. Great job, UPS. So as you can see, we have the rear protection, we have the passenger protection, and we have the driver's protection. These definitely need to off gas. So here we have the frunk cargo liner. It too, being folded in half, is going to need to sit out in the sun and get its shape back. And lastly, we have the back cargo liner. And this is definitely going to need to off gas. Now that we've opened the boxes and examined the actual items, I'm pretty satisfied with what I've seen so far. So I think I'm going to let these sit overnight to off gas, and then we'll condition them tomorrow and get them ready to go in the car. So let's take an inventory of what we have. We have the floor protection mat for the driver, for the passenger, and the rear seat. We have protection mat for the frunk and the back of the trunk area. We don't have one yet for the actual trunk, and that speaks to availability. One of my problems that I've had since I purchased my Model X was actually finding a product to install in the car. I'm very happy that these Maxpider 3D mats were available, although ordering them all at once was impossible. I found one here, I found one there, and eventually I got them all together in the course of about 3 weeks. I'm still trying to get one for the actual trunk area in the bottom of the rear trunk. So one of the challenges I think a lot of suppliers are having is that they're not partnered, or they're not partnering with Tesla themselves. Tesla provides these very lame, pathetic, useless floor mats themselves, and I say that as a New Englander. You see, here we have a lot more challenges than you do in sunny areas like California, Arizona. We have ice, which brings rock salt and sand, and then we also have rainy seasons where we have mud everywhere. And then we just have the regular maintenance. So you're carrying, grass and sand and all sorts of things inside the car. Now, granted, some in California and Arizona, they're getting a little sand in their cars, but you're not dealing with the harsh conditions of, say, road salt, rock salt, stuff we put on our walkways and on our roads. One of the things I'm going to do is condition these floor mats so that that salt doesn't get absorbed. And I'll be covering that in a moment. It's time to protect them. And we're going to protect them with this right here. So I'm going to apply this coating on here to both the frunk, the trunk, the cargo area, the passenger side, the driver's side, and the back seat. Enjoy. So this one's a lot bigger. We're going to work our way down from this side to that side, bringing it towards us as we go. Now I'm going to concentrate on this section more than this section. This is where the feet go, and this is underneath the seat. Now we're going to let this sit out in the sun. And we'll get the next one. Now the cargo liner probably isn't going to see as much salt, but I might as well protect it while I'm in the process. Now that's done. We're done. Now, I bought all these floor mats as well as this protection with my own money. This is not a paid endorsement. I'm not getting any compensation for this. It is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to, one, protect my carpet, and two, try out the only thing I could find. So all the floor mats have been out for about 24 hours. They've been sitting out in the sun the end of day yesterday and all day today. So there's been plenty of off-gassing going on. And I think we're at a good point where we can take them and put them inside the car, which has also been cleaned. So now we're taking a look at the frunk, and I'm very disappointed. I really expected it to fit like a glove, because it did say it was for the 2021 Model X. Well, the only 2021s are refreshes, and unfortunately, this is not fitting. I mean, this doesn't fit at all, and I certainly expected more. So if you're looking for a frunk floor mat, you certainly don't want to get this one. So we learned a very valuable lesson today. Always do a dry fit before you condition. I wish I hadn't been in such a rush to make this video, but I was, and now I'm going to pay the price for it. I have a frunk mat that does not fit. But the driver's seat fit, the passenger seat fit, as well as the rear seat and the cargo liner. They all fit. So not too bad, only one fail, the frunk. And I'm going to have to keep it. And that's what happens. I hope you found this video valuable and that you learned something that is going to help you with your vehicle. And if you did like this video, I hope that you'll hit the like button. Don't forget that notification bell. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you leave a comment, I'm going to reply. We learned a lot today, and I hope you found it valuable. I'm Chris Fox, this is Northeast Tesla, and I'll see you on the next one.